Sinigang na baboy, guys. Ayan ang ating ulam. Sinigang na baboy. Ayan. Masarap ang sabaw ng sinigang. Ayan ang ating ulam. Yummy sinigang na baboy. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless everyone.